Go ahead.
It's a number 5 horseshoe nail. They sell them at Fleet Farm. It's a small nail. It's used for city shoes for horses. I'm going to heat this up. I've made this little tool so I don't lose the nail in the fire. I'm going to heat it up. I'm going to flatten it, twist it, and I'm going to put the bowl in it. So I'll put that in the fire. And stuff going here. So we start out with coal, and we convert the coal to coke. And it's actually the coke that heats the metal. That's coke. Coke is real light and airy, and coal is a stone or a rock, like a rock. It's a soft rock. We outgas the coal, and all the impurities, oils, contamination, everything comes out of that coal. It turns into coke, and that's what you use to heat metal. Coal does not get very hot. You can heat a house with it, but for metal and stuff, you need about 2100 degrees. Now, I'll flatten this out, and I'm going to try to keep it symmetrical. And I'm going to put a twist in it, and that's just for beauty. And I'm going to put a divot in it. Now, I'll bury the sharp point, and I'll put a loop in it so I can put a ring in it so you can put it on your keychain. Now, blacksmiths don't generally get burned off of red hot metal, because you can see it's hot. This is what you get burned off of. You don't know how hot that is. And it's still about 300 degrees.